Looking for a sander upgrade with a smaller footprint? Then the Grizzly G0458ZX 18-inch 2 horsepower open-end variable speed drum sander is what you need. The open end allows you to sand twice as wide as the drum by feeding your workpiece through on one side, turning it around, and feeding it through on the other side, all while keeping an economical footprint in your shop. Unlike other open-ended drum sanders, the table moves up and down while the sanding head stays in place. This gives more rigid support to the drum for more consistent results. Find the perfect feed rate with the electronic variable speed conveyor motor that can adjust from 0 to 12 feet per minute. The powerful 4-inch aluminum sanding drum gives you precision at 2,600 or 3,400 feet per minute and features a hook and loop sanding belt for easy and straightforward sandpaper replacement. Powering it all is a rugged 2 horsepower, 120 volt, single phase 16 amp motor that's tough enough for all your sanding needs. A built-in mobile base makes this sander portable around your shop, and the 4-inch dust port takes the headache out of the cleanup process. Get the sanding capacity of a much larger, more expensive machine with the Grizzly G0458ZX 18-inch 2 horsepower open-end variable speed drum sander. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.